First, the news headlines. Government to take up projects exhibited by young innovators at Innovation Hub, Manipur IT Park as pilot projects soon, Chief Minister in Biren. Special Commando Unit Kabaisoi seizes brown sugar worth Rs 35 crore from 2 persons near Hatta Trava Market. And another Shiv Sena Manipur State unit formed its office at Sinzamai Parking. Hello and a very good evening. Welcome to MAMI TV English News Bulletin. I'm KABITA. Chief Minister N. Biren today interacted with the innovators during the Destination Infinity Manipur IT Startup Challenge at the Innovation Hub Information Technology Park, Manipur today. Chief Secretary Dr. Rajesh Kumar and Information Technology Director N. Diben accompanied the Chief Minister Biren. Speaking on the occasion, he appreciated the students exhibiting their projects at the hub and said the projects exhibited by the young students are quite encouraging and innovative. A few will be taken up as pilot projects soon. He added, certain prototypes based on IoT have been developed in the hub, including flood monitoring system, an early warning system for rivers, smart control of home appliances, and weighing machine with smart detection and sales reporting based with cloud report and management. Some of the prototypes exhibited today, when implemented practically, could be quite beneficial for the state, he asserted. He said that the main objective of the hub is bringing out new ideas and generating new products in line with the Prime Minister's vision of Atmanirbhar and initiatives of Vocal for Local. The center, which is roughly spread across 4,000 square feet, has 3 main laboratories of Robotics Laboratory, Artificial Intelligence Laboratory, and Internet of Things Lab. He continued that around 1,200 students from various institutes have visited the hub for exposure on various emerging technologies, and that 26 students have completed internship as part of the academic project. It is due to education that today our youth are able to enjoy the changes happening across the world in the IT, science and technology sectors. Appealing to the youth of the state to concentrate on education and be a part of the global IT change happening around the world, Chief Minister Biren said the state do not lack talents and the youth should have constructive and positive mindset.
First IT Innovation Hub in Northeast India is quite handy. Masigi Maru Poti bringing out new ideas and generating new products. Hydro Center is roughly 4,000 square feet of space within 3 main laboratories, namely robotic laboratories, the artificial intelligence lab and the Internet of Things lab. Around 1,200 students from various institutes for exposure on various emerging technology. College model idea laupam thau tingandana mai tingandana stream to the gravity ki position arkanda mathakta leba khundu de ising kamai pi ke just am encouraging oipa thagani ngai oi su oi sida ina haining base khoi manipur gi na ha singse constructive positive mindset sense owning triple IT da khoi manipur gi satra ma yorom de but adom the concentrate to what adom election gumba satra ki election da phunai.
Later, he inspected the ongoing works at the IT cells and new secretariat complex. A team of Kabaisoi Commando Unit and Imphalis Women Police Station arrested 2 persons with 35 rupees crore worth of brown sugar weighing around 1 kg on Wednesday. The arrested person has been identified as Daikoting Haukip, 52, wife of HP Holsei Haukip, and Kailan Kup Haukip, 31, son of HP Holsei Haukip of Longway Village in Chakpigarong subdivision, Chandal district. According to media reports, a team of Kabaisoi Commando Unit and Imphalis Municipal East Women Police Station under the supervision of in-charge Special KABITA Commando Unit T.H. Krishna Tombi conducted frisking at the area of Hatta Center Majid Road near Nagaland, 2nd Street near Travel Market. During the check, the team arrested a duo and recovered a carry bag from Daikoting Hokip containing 2 plastic polythene pouches of brown sugar marked as A and B, weighing around 1.016 kg. The team recovered 2 phones, 2 SIM cards and sum of 2,550 rupees. The brown sugar is estimated to be worth around rupees 35 crore. The duo, along with the seized items, was handed over to Porompat Police Station for further legal action. A new Shiv Sena Manipur State unit has been formed with Toisam Devananda as its president. Addressing a press conference at its new office at Singzame Parking today, President of the new Shiv Sena Manipur State unit Devananda said the new party office was opened as per the instruction of Uddhav Thackeray on October 5 during the nationwide meeting held at Shivaji Park in Mumbai. The Manipur State unit was established with the objective to save Uddhav Thackeray's party after it was divided into 2 parties in Mumbai, he said. He further assured to work towards winning the upcoming Panchayat and MP election by bringing forward worthy candidates. Welcoming aspiring candidates to the party, Part President Devananda promised that the party will take an active part in any state and public-related issues.
MP election Panchayat election Vidhan Sabha election my partner candidate Uthokaba Yadi, Hibakidamata, Hanagi, Assemba, Udabdi supporter, machine is now in Kunzanaga, I book Sachi Hangjabani, Adra Matam Punimata, the Manipuri, Sushing Natragana, Miyamu, but Habak forms in the Udab Taki group of Sina, Manipuri Braza Sing, the Mata, Tawayaba, Mating Sing, Lebaki, Susinda. Angam bat hakta tabagasi hojjaragani haina asigi pandamasina official hangja.
The locals of Longway in Longway Village complained against Ganapati Company Limited and the substandard quality works undertaken by the company at National Highway 37 along Longway stretches. In the latest sent to the company, the chairman of Longway Village Authority, Kasai Gangway, said the NH 37 double lanes construction work undertaken by Ganapati Company Limited did not satisfy the Longway public, and the general public is not pleased with the company's attitude. The smokes and chemical residue emitted by burning coal and tar for road black topping work is really hazardous to human health. The chemical residue and smoke carried away by wind and spread all over Longway and its neighboring villages, it added. Further, the people of the area are dissatisfied with the company's substandard quality work of road construction from Longway Bazaar to Longway MS Gaidingam oil pump, it added. The public want to launch agitation if the company does not work the matter, and the company must bear all responsibility for any types of loss and damages. The chairman further appealed to the company to take up necessary works for public safety and utilize expertise to carry out the necessary construction works. The Kakching Ithaikong Dam and the Irengban village water supply, which provides water to around 10 pari of fields in Kakching, was released today. Kakching Ithai Committee organized the event with rituals performed by priests at Kakching Ithai Maru. Speaking on the sideline of the ritual, President of Kakching Ithai Committee, Yengko Machau, said Ithai Maru Dam has been used for irrigation in major fields of Kakching and its neighboring villages for a very long time now. The committee manages the dam according to the time of cultivation. Acho further appealed to the people of the surrounding areas to not dig up the bank of Ithaikong Dam for fishing and disposing wastes.
Lowsing as a quick hard for Loigra, Maru Luktare, Matam Marmaduna, Hamagi Manungadi, Suksho Shodramki, Low Lopa, Honor Lagani, Maduda, Low Lopada, Sing as a quena, Sangandana, Lopomsing Asida, Kangaga, Kanga Lopaya and the Bedamta. Asigumlova, Ipai Pusina, Sanam Riva, Home Papaki Toromasi, Pantuk Shavadingasi.
With the aim of making garbage-free city, Moirang Municipal Council (MMC) and Create Manipur organized an awareness program on Swachhata Ke Dorang, India versus Garbage at different parts of Moirang. RO of MMC, H. Bimol, attended the awareness program held at Koyol Kaitel, Moirang Lamkai and Delisan Public School. Speaking on the occasion, EO of MMC, M. Innawi, said the awareness program on Swachhata Ke Dorang, India versus Garbage was held with an aim to attain garbage-free city. He appealed to the people to use recycled items and solid food waste on separate dustbins and to hand over the waste separately to MMC garbage collection. The council is taking up projects to make organic waste from food waste, while steps are being taken now to recycle the recyclable items, it now be said. Now it's time for a short break. We'll be right back.
Dr. Helena Optometric College North AOC Imphal के academic session 2022-23 के admission हौजरे program offer Bachelor of Optometry specialties का मटिक चारवा infrastructure गलोइना secure campus spacious classroom अमदी well maintained library meritorious students सिंगी special fee concession अमदी scholarship well qualified dedicated अमदी experience लेरबा ओजा सिंगना ताकपी तंबीगनी नुपा मचा अमदी नुपी मचा की secure अमदी separate hostel Dr. Helena Eye Hospital and Institute Daily training की खुदों चाव सुलेगनी लोइनना course असी हैक लोइबका India अमदी अवॉर्डा चाद चामा job placement लेगनी अकुपा मरोल की दमक 9774065535 टा contact तौबियु
iPhone gi mapu oibiu iPhone gi mapu oibiu lakliba October gi tang kunmari nungthil pung ama taba matamda sumnatagi lupa chama khaktana iPhone gi mapu oibiu thamjariba pricing first price iPhone 13 Pro Max second price iPhone Mini 12 128GB third price iPhone SE 2022 128GB amasung consolation price oina miyoi kontra da lupa chamnga pizagani ticket agent oibiningba singna lemna ticket tara amadi lupa lising manga gi mathakta fangbagi khudongchaba pizari ticket Fangfam Singh, Sur Pharmacy, Malom Bazar, Sanatombi Store, Malom Bazar, Pan 150, Waheng Lekai Mobile Dukan, Ipak Offset Praise, opposite Shanghai Express, Amasung FSC Office, Kangabam Lekai, near Veiko Hotel, Panthoibi Pharmacy, Lamphel, near Lamjingba Hospital, Sorzini Hotel, Moirang, near Maibia Gas, Imphal College Gate Dukan, Amu Dukan, Amasung Bembem Wholesale Dukan, Patsoi Part 1. Draw Otfam Kaisampat Lemazam Lekai Community Hall. WhatsApp ki khuthangda ticket booking tawbagi khudong chaba pizari. Akupa marol gidamak pizari ba number sida contact tobiyu 8787573129.
Welcome back. In a unique Diwali celebration this year, Prime Minister Narendra Modi will give jobs to 75,000 youth across the country. The PM will also interact with youngsters through video conferencing on Saturday, 2 days before Diwali, sources said. Appointment letters will be handed over to 75,000 young people for jobs in various ministries and government departments. Jobs will be allocated in the Defense Ministry, the Railway Ministry, the Post Department, Home Ministry, Labour and Employment Ministry, Central Industrial Security Force, Central Bureau of Investigation, Customs and Banking, among others. Union ministers will also participate in this program from different cities across the country. Facing widespread criticism on dwindling employment figures, PM Modi had announced in June this year that 10 lakh jobs will be created in the next 18 months. Meanwhile, Congress leader Rahul Gandhi had hit out at the centre, then saying it is a government of Mahajumlas. Ahead of assembly elections in Nagaland, President Draupadi Murmu and Prime Minister Narendra Modi are likely to visit the state, sources said. They are likely to visit Nagaland by the end of October or first week of November. Assembly elections in Nagaland are likely to be held in the first half of next year. According to reports, PM Modi during his Nagaland tour is likely to address a rally on October 28 at the Indira Gandhi Stadium in Kohima. On the other hand, President Draupadi Murmu is likely to visit Nagaland in the first week of November. Reports said that preparations for the visits of President Draupadi Murmu and Prime Minister Narendra Modi are already underway. Mallikarjun Kharge, who won the Congress presidential election in a landslide victory against Shashi Tharoor, will assume charge as the party chief on October 26 at the AICC headquarters in Delhi, yet the date for a Congress working committee CWC has not been finalized. Kage emerged as a clear winner with 7,987 votes, while Tharoor managed to secure 1,172 in his favor. Over 9,000 Congress delegates across India voted to choose the party chief on October 17. Kage's election as the new party chief marked a historic day for the Congress party, as he will become the first non-Gandhi party chief after almost 24 years. In the first address after his victory, Kage said that they have to fight the fascist forces that pretend to be democratic but attack democracy. The veteran leader faces a tough road ahead, as he is expected to revive the party, which has seen its presence shrink both at the state level and national level. India saw a single-day rise of 2,141 COVID-19 cases with 20 deaths in the last 24 hours, which took the tally of COVID-19 cases to 4.46 crore, while the active cases declined to 25,510, according to the data updated by Union Health Ministry. The death count, however, climbed to 5.28 lakh with the fresh fatalities. The active cases constitute 0.06% of the total infections, while the national COVID-19 recovery rate increased to 98.76%, the ministry said. There has been a decrease of 458 cases in the active case load in a span of 24 hours. The daily positivity rate was also recorded at 0.85%, while the weekly positivity rate at 0.97%. Meanwhile, the number of recoveries increased to 4.40 crore, while the case fatality rate was recorded at 1.19%. On the other hand, according to the ministry, 219.46 crore doses of COVID vaccine have been administered in the country under the nationwide COVID-19 vaccination drive. After Chinese President Xi Jinping asserted at the 20th Communist Party Congress to forcefully reclaim Taiwan if required, Taiwan's top security official retorted that the Chinese president would be a sinner of all Chinese people if he attacked Taiwan. Xi would forfeit the so-called Great Resignation of the Chinese people and become a sinner of the Chinese people, the head of Taiwan's National Security Bureau, Chen Ming-tong, said. Xi Jinping, who is likely to be elected president for the third five-year term, has been determined about the reunification of Taiwan with China. China has continuously been mounting pressure on Taiwan by ramping up its military might. The democratically elected Taiwan government claims it is up to the Taiwanese people to decide their future, as Taiwan was never a part of Communist China. The Taiwan Strait was on the boil in August after U.S. House Speaker Nancy Pelosi had landed in Taiwan, as she was the first senior U.S. official in 25 years to visit the island. Now the headlines once again. Take-up projects exhibited by young innovators at Innovation Hub, Manipur IT Park as pilot projects soon, Chief Minister NBD. Special Commando Unit KABITA seizes brown sugar worth ₹35 crore from 2 persons near Hatta Travel Market. And another BJP Manipur State unit formed its office at Sinzamay Parking. That brings us to the end of today's English News Bulletin. Thanks for watching.